Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university or and any school, college. And this pin is very important, and this is a very important, and this is a office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here and how to this body is design. And also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this body is very nice looking here. And this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view. And this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here. All dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this is a elliptical dome, and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter is this thickness is 2 millimeter. And fillet is used here, this fillet is used here 18 millimeter. And some important point is discussed here. Okay, and okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct. And this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student, is very important also. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this is a all geometry and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this and okay, at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter, and this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here. Angle is 22 degree. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay, and this point is use here. This is use of fillet is 2 millimeter. And okay, and use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and use this. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And next is a okay, next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is used here. This is a convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a length is 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter. And also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay. And next is also this sketch and use a convert entities. Okay, and next is use here this body is design and use a this and use a this 0.8 millimeter and this use a 82-degree angle. Okay, also perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss and this length is 0.88. okay, this is a perfect 0.8. okay, 0.8 millimeter and this body is correct and this use a okay, this use a perfect and this is a correct this thickness is available here and this is a use of this and okay, and use a and this is a 82 and draft outward and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter and 82-degree is a draft and draft is outward and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4 and click OK. 0.4 this is a very nice looking here and correct. This 0.4 thickness is perfect and use a dome this feature and dome is 1 millimeter and click this face and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is a select here and also okay, this is a perfect color and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter and outward is a 15 millimeter and again 3 millimeter is 90-degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face sketch a normal or drawing a circle is this and this use a 2 millimeter diameter and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face sketch normal and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a this is a merge result is unchecked because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and okay, chrome plate, and also use a nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Check undo, and this is a also check nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better. Chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch, convert entities is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 mm, okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree, okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK, and also this and chrome plate is used here. And one important point is this is a fillet is a this thickness is not used here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 mm, okay, correct, and fillet is a 18 mm, and this is a 18 mm is very important, and this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 mm, and click this line and connect to this, and very important for this, and click this fillet use, and use a chrome plate. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this project is ready. And at first drawing one by one is all parts is drawing here. This is a hydraulic body, this is a hydraulic pump body, and all dimension in millimeter, and how to this body is designed, and all process is learned here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a hydraulic pump body, and this body is a design here, and all parts is one by one is designed here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and this is the isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here, and all geometry all dimension is you can see here on the screen, easily learn here. Okay, and this body is drawing here this, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a professional student is very important lecture. And how to this body is designed today discuss here. All process is learned here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all side is looking perfect, and this is a write a letter, and how to this process is also learned here. And this is a okay, this is a thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cutting here this body. Okay, this body is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a drawing here easily, and all process is learned here one by one. Okay, okay, okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first going to some setting is very important. At first going to this part, and part is a drawing here, and some setting is very important. At first this is a plain white, and going to option option is document properties, and this is a image quality. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, and all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay. At first select a plane. Plane is a front plane because this body is a front plane is drawing easy and comfortable. Okay, at first drawing this inner side drafting, and this is a radius is 15.23 millimeter, and this is a two circle is drawing here. First is a 37 and second is 30. This diameter is perfect. Okay, at first select a plane, a front plane. This two line is a drawing here because this is very helpful. Okay, and two circle is a drawing here. First is a circle is drawing this. Okay, and this radius is a 37. Okay, and this 2 point distance between this 15.2319 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Again select a circle. Circle is this. Okay, not better. A circle is a drawing here this, and this diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror. Mirror is this, and select a mirror about this plane. Okay, this is a perfect. And some cut line is a extra, but use a trim entities, and some extra portion is a delete here. This is a extra portion, and also this to this this line is a cut out. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a drawing here. This is a perfect and correct, and all distance and all geometry, all dimension is perfect. Okay, and next is a use here this center. Okay, next point is a drawing here, a drawing this inner side. Okay, and next use this upper side a line, and this use a center point arc. This radius is 15 millimeter. Okay, two circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is a 10.2. Okay, and distance between this two circle 58 millimeter, and this is a distance between this line 29.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this distance is a 42 millimeter, and this radius of curve is a 11 millimeter, and this is a two fillet is used here. This is 5 millimeter, and this is 1.5 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a center point arc and drawing this. Okay, and drawing this. Okay, not better. This is perfect. Center point arc is a drawing here, drawing this. Okay, and this 2 point is select a press a control button, and 2 point is this is a horizontal. Okay, and diameter is a 50 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And two circle is drawing here. Select this circle, and again select two circle is this. Okay, and select this point to this is equal, and 2 point press a control, select press a control button, and 2 point is a horizontal. Okay, and this diameter is a define, this dimension is 10.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 10.2 millimeter is this, and this drawing this 29.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and distance between this point to this is a 58 millimeter is this. Okay, and again select this point to distance is a 29 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And drawing this line is a drag here. Okay, this point is a drag here. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Define a dimension, dimension is a this 10.2. okay, 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 all is perfect and correct, and this is a better. Okay, next is use here a 3-point arc is select here, and drawing this 3-point arc, drawing this select here. Okay, and this point, and press a control button, select this point is a okay merge point. Okay, and this define a dimension is 11 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this and this point is a drag here this and 2 point, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, okay, and next is use here this select this line, drag here this sum. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a delete here, and this is a sum line is inclined, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, line is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a some line is okay, and 2 fillet is used here. This fillet is used first is a 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter is select this. Okay, and second is a 1.5 millimeter. Select this, select this. Okay, okay, and 1.5 is this, and 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 42 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, and some line is a mirror, and mirror about this point, this line, and select this. One by one is all line is select here, and this is a and this to this, and mirror about this, and select this. Okay, and okay, okay, but this is a concentric is symmetric, but this relation is a this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect. And some this line is extra is use a trim entities, and select this line. Okay, okay, and also use a mirror entities and select a this, okay, and select a mirror entity and select this, okay, and one by one is select here this and this too, okay, all is select here and this, okay, all is perfect, all is select here and mirror about this line to this, okay, all is connect here and click OK. Okay, this not use a some line is extra, okay, all is perfect, drawing a perfect and correct, okay, and okay, this is a very nice, and some use a, okay, and this use a thickness is a 5.5, okay, this is a very nice looking here, okay, and 54 millimeter is perfect and correct, okay, 54 millimeter is perfect, and this use a thickness, okay, use a extrude boss, and this is use a very important, this is use a mid plane, and this 54 millimeter is perfect, okay, and mid plane is a 54 millimeter is perfect, okay, and okay, okay, and next is a, this is a cutout is a drawing here, okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and draw a circle, this is a line is a drawing here, okay, this line is a drawing here and this, okay, and this circle is a drawing here, draw this, and this circle is a radius is a 47.7 and center point is a 15.04, okay, and this define this diameter 47.70, okay, and this point distance is a 15.04 millimeter is perfect, okay, and this is a mirror is used here, this and about this line, click OK, and connect a line to this point to this, and also this point to this, okay, and some extra line is also delete here, and this line and this line, okay, and this to this line is a delete here, and this all is extra is a delete here is perfect, and click OK. This is a 47.70 and 15.40 is perfect drawing here. This is a 47.70 and 15.04 millimeter is perfect drawing here, and this is a offset is a 3 millimeter is reverse direction, and offset is used here, this is a offset and direction is a 3 millimeter, okay, and direction is reverse, this is a inside is a perfect and correct and okay, and this offset is a use here, and this is a cutout is a only 2 millimeter is not mentioned here, but this is a 2 millimeter is cut out, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is only a 2 millimeter because this is a use a rubber belt. 2 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this use a washer and rubber washer is used here, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a front plane because this use a mirror, and select a this and cutout is this, and click OK. This back side is also correct drawing here, and both side is a use a rubber washer, and this is a perfect. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and next is just select this face, a normal, drawing a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this tapered hole. This straight tap is used here, and this ISO and bottoming tapered hole is used here, and size is a okay, and this size is a okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, some use a some point is a this okay. Okay, and use a simple hole is perfect drawing here. A simple hole is a okay, this is a standard is ISO and dowel hole, and this is a drill size. Okay, and this is a only diameter is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a 47 point. Okay, perfect drawing here, and all is perfect. Okay, and click a position, and going to this and going to this. Okay, and this dimension is used here. This dimension is a this to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 45 millimeter is perfect, and also use here. Okay, okay, some press a control button and Z is edit here, and 45, and again select this point to this is a okay, and this point to this is a 45 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. This is a drag. Okay, and next is a select a front plane, and this about mirror, and select a this hole is a mirror is this, and click OK. Both side is a this, and select this face, this face normal, hole wizard is used here, and the straight tab is this, and OK, and this is a perfect drawing here. This Okay, and some point is a okay, and this and this is a very use here use this ISO and a state pipe. Okay, this is a state pipe tapered hole. Okay, and hole specification is 1/2. 1/2 is a perfect. 1/2 is perfect, and all is perfect and correct. This is a use a state tape and a standard is ISO, and this is a state pipe tapered hole, and hole specification is a G1/2 and blind, and all is perfect and correct. And select a position is this and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some use a front plane mirror and use a this okay, select a tapered hole is this okay, and this is a select a right plane. Okay, and mirror, select this and click OK. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And this is a not use this is a thread is not showing here, and going to option and document properties and detailing, and this is a click here shaded cosmetic thread, and then cosmetic thread is a perfect looking here. Okay, this is a cosmetic thread is a looking here is perfect and correct, is both side is a perfect. Okay, and all point is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, and some point is a this is a write a letter. Okay, some point is a discuss here. This is a very nice. This point is very important. And at first select a top plane and use a plane, and this is 60 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this plane sketch normal, and select a center line is a drawing this two line is a set to center line is a drawing here. First is a this and second is a also this to this, and this line use a some write a let this some write a letter made in Germany. Okay, and some use a middle. Okay, and okay, again select this and write a letter. This use a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, and this use a middle. Okay, and okay. Okay, both is write a letter and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a use a this is a offset from surface. Okay, and this is a select this surface. Okay, and this is a use a 2 millimeter Okay, this is a 0.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all, and direction is reverse, offset is perfect, all is correct and perfect. And this letter is a, this plane is hide because all looking perfect and correct. And the material is apply here and going to this appearance and select a metal is a this nickel and going to this. Okay, and all is a perfect drawing here easily and clearly, and all is a drawing perfect and correct. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a design here a sliding jaw, and sliding jaw is very important of this bench wise lathe machine body. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine and how to all parts is assemble here. Okay, today discuss here at first drawing one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is a all parts is assemble here one by one. Okay, this is a sliding jaw and this body is a sliding jaw, and how to this body is designed today discuss here. Okay, and all view is you can see here on the screen, and this is isometric view is this body and all dimension in inches. Okay, and this is a top view and this thickness is a 2.56 inch. Okay, and this is a front view and this all geometry you can see here, and then plane select better is a front view, and then this is a right view is a geometry you can see here. Okay, this body is a drawing this body, and how to this body is a drawing here, and one by one all process is learn here. Okay, and this is a cutting sliding key is cutting here, and okay, all is a this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is also a hole wizard is used here, but this is not mentioned here. And this lecture is you can see here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, and one by one is all point is a learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and part is a select here, and some setting is very important, and this is a inch. Okay, and going to plain white and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all dimension is set here, and at first select this. Okay, use a front plane. This is a length is a drawing this design here. At first select this dimension 1.5 inches this length, and 0.875 inches this length to this, and this is a, and this distance is a 0.75 inches. Okay, and this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is a 1 inches. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select front plane. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, draw a line is a this line this too. Okay, drawing a this. Okay, a simple line is a drawing here, and then one by one is all is connect here. Mention this dimension, this distance is a 1.5 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.875 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 0.75 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a this, and also this is a this kind. Okay, this is a this, and this distance is a all distance is perfect here. Okay, and use this dimension is this is a drawing a line 1.5 inch, and this is use a 0.75 inch, and this is a 0.875 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And then use a mirror, and a mirror is this, and select here this, and select a line. Okay, and okay, and connect to this, and this line to this. Okay, and this line to this is a connect here, connect to this. Okay, this distance is a mention here 1 inch. Okay, and this distance is a default value is a 2.75 inch. This is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to feature and extrude boss, and select this. Okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2.56 inches thickness. This is a 2.56 inch thickness is this, and direction is reverse is better. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this line is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a nickel, and material is apply here. Going to this appearance and metal, and this is a nickel, and this is a perfect. And okay, this body is a drawing here. And next is a okay, and next is a select this face, and okay, and this face is a select here, and a sketch normal. Okay, sketch a normal. Okay, and drawing a this some line. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a this. Okay, this is a right view is a this point 1.75 inch, and this radius is 1.3 inch and 1.56 inch, and this distance center distance is 0.13 inch, and this is a 1.19 inch. Perfect. Okay, and select a line. This is a this line is a drawing here, and select this, and okay, and okay, this is a line is this, and okay, and drag here this. Okay, and select a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is connect to this, and this is a this. Okay, and this is a this, and this is a this, and dimension is apply here. This dimension this distance is a this distance to this is a full distance is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this distance to this is a distance is 1.56 inch. Okay, and this radius is a 1.38 inch. Okay, and this okay, but this okay, and this use a delete here, and this circle is this. Okay, and okay. This distance to this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a this use a 1.19 inch. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a this line, and this line is a collinear. Okay, perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And the next point is this, and okay, all dimension is perfect, and this use this is a 1.75 inch and 1.19 inch. This center is maintained here, and this center is this 1.3 inch, and this is this, and 1.56 inch is this distance. Okay, and 1.3 this is a radius. All value is you can see here. And okay, extrude boss, and going to this up to surface and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and go this is a okay. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and all perfect is a correct, and going to this and okay, and all point is mentioned here this, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing this point, this line, and drawing this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this line and vertical distance this, and angle is this. This is a cut out line, and this some point is cut out, and distance this is a 0.38 inches. Okay, and this distance bottom 1.24 inch. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. And then this use and then cutout is this use this. Okay, mention here. Okay, 1.38. Okay, this is a 1.38. 1.38. Okay, this, and this use okay, and this dimension is used here. This is a cutout. This value is a 0.38 inch, and this is a 1.38 inch is cut out here. And okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this use going to see this is a flip side to cut, very important. And then this is fully, and this value is a increase here, some extra, and this is a this. okay, some user through all, and okay. This cutout is a perfect cutout. Okay, all is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and this cutout is a very important. And okay, and some select a material is this face and this and okay, and this face, this is a, and going to this use a painted, and this is a candy apple red. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is use here this face sketch normal, and going to a line is a drawing here a center line, drawing to this center line is this, and mention this dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and dimension is this this dimension is a 2.19. okay, and because apply this cutout is a hole, a circle is cut out, and then this circle is a 2.19 inch, and then this circle is a distance is a 1.37 inch. okay, draw a circle is this diameter, this diameter is a this is a 1.37 inch. okay, this two dimension is very important, and 2.19 inch, and this is a use a 1.37 inch. perfect, and click OK, and extrude boss. okay, and going to this normal, and some line is drawing here this point to this connect here, and use a trim command, and this portion is delete here because this is not use. okay, and going to going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here this up to surface, and then this is a perfect. okay, and select this face, and going to this material. okay, this color is okay, again select this face sketch normal, drawing a circle is this is a circle is a drawing here, and this diameter is a 0.75 inch. okay, because this is a point diameter is a 0.75 inch, and this is a cutout. okay, and this is a very important, and going to extrude cut is a this is a mention here this a perfect cutting here, and this is a perfect cutting, and this is a only a this is a use this value is very important, and 1.187 is a perfect, and this is use a blind, and this 1.187 because this is not mentioned here, this use a okay, and okay, this is a perfect cutting. okay, and this is a perfect, and again this use a hole wizard, and then use a thread, and again select this face normal, and going to hole wizard, and hole wizard is this is a state tab. State tab is a use here inch, and tapered hole is a perfect. Okay, and size is a okay, and this is a size is a very important, and size is a 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, 1 by 1 by 8 by 7. Okay, 1 by 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, and showing this cosmetic size, and some point is a change here. This value is a 0.81, is inch, and this value is also mentioned here, and the next lecture is coming soon, then all value is a mention here, but this value is not mentioned here. Okay, and okay, all is perfect, and some point is this, and this is use a blind, and this is a 0.44 inch, and this value is very important. And okay, and uncheck a near side countersink. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 2.25 inch, perfect, and all is correct, and 1 by 1 by 7, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is mentioned here, and going to this position, and this circle is this, and okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, but this use then this and going to this near side countersink, then this is a okay, and this is this and this is a uncheck here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and all is better drawing here, and okay, and this is a drawing this, and this is a cutout is this. Select this face, sketch normal, and center line is this is a drawing here a center line. Okay, and this line is this vertical line, going to vertical, and then use this corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drag here this. Okay, and some use this okay, and then define a dimension. Dimension is this this is a 0.22 inch, and then this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.51 inch. Okay, this is a perfect dimension, and this is use a black, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and going to this cutout is a apply this this cutout is a point, this distance is a 0.51 inch, and this is distance is a 0.22 inch, and this is a 0.19 inch. All is mentioned here is correct. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and okay. And this use a mirror and select a plane is a right plane is better, and going to mirror and select this. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect. And next is a use this and okay, and next is use here this is a this face is a select here and a sketch, and going to whole wizard, and whole wizard is a this use a this use a this this is a state tab is cutting here a whole wizard, and then use a inch and tapered hole, and this value is very important, and this is a and 1/420. Okay, and this is a 1/420. 1/420. Okay, this size is very important. And also this is a perfect, and this value is mentioned here. This is a perfect. Okay, and this okay, this is a blind, and going to this point 63 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.50 inch is perfect, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to position, and okay, this is a draw here this one, and center line is a drawing here at first, because this is a very important. And also drawing this okay, and some relation is a mention here, and this relation is perfect. And going to this. Okay, at first select this, define a relation. This distance between this to this is a 1.5. okay, 1.5 is this, and this distance is a select here this 1 inch. Okay, this is a 1 inch is better. And a relation is very important, and select this point and press a control button and select this line and this point, and all three is a symmetric, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this is a fully defined, and going to exit, and this is a perfect. But this thread is not so here, and going to option, document properties, and image. Okay, this is a detailing, and this shaded cosmetic thread is check here, and this is a okay, and then this preview, this thread is a showing here easily. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and also this is a this use a fillet is used here 2.25, and then going to fillet and select this 0.25 inch. and select this and OK, and again this is a again select a fillet, and fillet is used here this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, 1.13, okay, 0.125 is better, and 0.123 is also better, and this is a 1.25 is perfect, and this is this, and also this, and this all is a fillet is this, and select this and this, all fillet is used here, and okay, all is perfect, and okay, and both fillet is select here one by one, and then going to this okay, all is perfect drawing here, okay, and this okay, and also this is a a back side is this face, select sketch this face and normal, check here, and this is a very important, and this thread is a 3 thread is used here, and this is a very important, okay, and going to this hole wizard, and at first select a hole, 2 hole and 1 count state type is used here, and at first going to this and okay, this is a perfect at first select a hole, and this is a inch, and select a all drill size, okay, all is perfect, and size is a only 25 is a better, is a perfect, okay, this is a 25, and going to this blind, and okay, and then okay, this is a okay, at first select this blind, and this is a 1 point, select 1.062, okay, and this blind is used here, and this is a thickness is a 1.062, and this is use size is a 25, and all drill size and inch, and going to position, and position is a select here this okay, and okay, and select a center line, drawing a center line is this vertical line, okay, and some dimension is used here, this dimension is this and this dimension is a select this point to this distance is a 1.19 inch, okay, and select a 1.19 inch, and this distance is this line is a distance is a point, okay, select here 0.31 inch, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all is better, and this is a fully defined, and okay, and going to exit, okay, and this is a hole is a this full is a select here this Okay, and again select this. Next is a hole wizard is used here. This is a tapered hole. A tapered hole is this going to inch, and select here a tapered hole. This going to inch, and tapered hole is perfect, and also going to this value is very important. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a 1 by 420. Okay, this use a 1 by 420. Okay, this is perfect, and blind होता है, and this use a this this is a this use this, and this is a 0.75 inch perfect, and this is a 0.50 is all is perfect, and going to position, and again select this and this, and okay, and again select this and going to hole wizard, and again select a hole, and this is a next is this, and and then use a very important and inch and all drill size, and then use a 7 by 32, and this is a very important 7 by 32, and then use a 7 by 32 is perfect, 7 by 32. Okay, this, and this blind is a perfect, and this distance is a distance is a 0.375. Okay, going to this position and going to this, okay, this is this, and okay, click okay, all is perfect and correct, and again select this right plane mirror, and select both 3, 1, select 2 and 3. Okay, all is mirror. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and select this 0.001 inch, and select all face. Okay, all face is a 1 by 1 is a select here, then this okay, this is a perfect, and and select this, at first select both first and second, and select a mirror. This is a red. Okay, all is perfect, both is a this, and going to this, and select a fillet and use here this, and going to face this face, and this 1 by 1 is this, all face is select here. Okay, this face and this face, this face, this face, and this face. Okay, all is select here 1 by 1, this face. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and isometric view is this, and one by one all point is a learn here, and this is a perfect cutting here. Okay, and this face sketch drawing this metal is chromium because this is some lighting, and okay, and okay. Okay, and guys, all point one by one is discussed here, and you can see here on the screen. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this is a very important lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is very important. And this is a use a base design, and this is a final shock absorber, and all one by one all point is discussed here. And then this final assemble is this body, and final assemble shock absorber, and then this base body is designed here, and then a spring, and then nut, and this is a top rod. All lecture is one by one is designed here, but this lecture is today discuss here a very important lecture. And this lecture is very important for beginner student is also. And also okay, this is a perfect and at first drawing and this all point is this is a 2D drafting is also available here this body, and this use a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a section view, and this is a top view, and this isometric view is also this, and final assemble point is all shock absorber is this. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is design today discuss here a very important lecture, and this body is easily and clearly is designed here. And okay, all point is learn here very important. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select some setting is very important, and this is use a plain white, and this use a document property and image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and guys, at first select this use a 45 degree is 45 diameter is 45 millimeter, and all dimension is millimeter, and this is a diameter is 45 millimeter, and this length is a 70 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a circle is diameter is a 45 millimeter. This diameter is 45 millimeter, and all dimension is millimeter, gram second setting here. And then use a length is a extrude boss, and this length is a 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this use this diameter is 45 millimeter, and this thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and again select this upper face is 10 millimeter is diameter, and this length is 70 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, and again select this face, sketch or draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this diameter is a 10 millimeter, and this length is a 45 extrude boss, and this length is a 70 millimeter. Okay, 70 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. and then back side is also select sketch and draw a circle, and circle is this, and then back side is diameter. Okay, this diameter is a 24 millimeter and this length is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and then this is a fillet is apply here, a 6 millimeter is fillet, and align this diameter is a, this is a 24 millimeter, and apply a extrude boss. This is a 28 millimeter is perfect. 28 millimeter. This is a 28 millimeter is thickness, and click OK. And fillet is apply here, a 6 millimeter is fillet, and this edge is select here and click OK. Okay. Okay, all point is perfect, and then next is a drawing here. Okay, this is a cutout is a this, and this distance between is this 15 millimeter, and this length is a 20 millimeter, and this width is a 19.5 millimeter. Okay, this use a front plane sketch normal, and select this center line. This center line is this, connect to this. Okay, and this line is a vertical, is very important, and use a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is select here is this too. This is a perfect, and select this all is select here, and use a mirror image, and mirror entities is this, and click OK. And align a dimension is a this point to this is a 15 millimeter is gap is very high and perfect, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this diameter is a 19.5 millimeter. Okay, and 19.5 millimeter is this, but then okay, this dimension is not very important, because this diameter is a 12 millimeter, then also perfect, no problem, but this dimension is okay, because this is a cutout, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all both side, and okay, this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch normal, and select a center line. Okay, draw a 90-degree angle, and this line is a vertical line, and then use a cutout. This cutout is this small circle is cut out, and then this diameter is 8 millimeter, and this thickness is a, this is a distance between this center point to this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, or draw a small circle is this. Okay, and align a dimension is a 10 millimeter, this is 8 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this use extrude cut. Extrude cut is both through all both side is very important. Okay, and next is a drawing here this body, and this body is a this is a circle is drawing here 18 millimeter, and this thickness is a 25 millimeter is mid plane. Okay, and this 25 millimeter is this 25 millimeter is same, and 8 diameter, and this diameter is same here. Okay, and this length is, and this length is same also, and this thickness is also perfect, and all is a not mentioned here. Okay, and select a right plane sketch. Okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this, okay, not center line, and select a circle is drawing here. This circle is this, a big circle, and this circle is also use a convert entities. This circle is also use convert entities, perfect, and diameter is a 18 millimeter is diameter, okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a mid plane, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is one by one is drawing here is perfect and correct, and okay, all dimension is perfect, and all dimension is a learn here easily and clearly, okay, and next is a color is apply here. This color is a select this body, select this body, okay, this body select, all is select here, and use a chromium, and chromium is this, and select this face, sketch iron, and this is a perfect, okay, all is a perfect looking here, and then all is perfect, and isometric view is also perfect, and this is a looking here better. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here, okay, correct, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to draw a screwdriver, and this screwdriver design is very important design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a perfect, and guys, some important point is discussed here, how to this screwdriver is drawing here, and this is a final product, and this isometric view, and this also a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and also this a detail view is available here, okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and okay, all is perfect, okay, and this thickness is a 7 millimeter, okay, and perfect, okay, this is a correct, okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is also looking perfect, okay, this is a, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this screwdriver is a looking very nice looking here, okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly, okay, at first select a part easy, okay, and some setting is a, this background is a plain white, and this some important point is a image quality is very high, because this is a, okay, all is looking perfect, okay, at first drawing this body, and select a, okay, this is a use this circle is drawing here a 30 millimeter diameter, and this is a length is a 120 millimeter, okay, correct, and this length is a 180 millimeter, and this is a cutout length is a this 180 millimeter and 1 minus 120 millimeter is, this is a 60 millimeter is inside cutout. Okay, and full length is a 180, means this 60 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane and use a circle is this, and this circle is align a diameter is 30 millimeter. Okay, and isometric view. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this is a 120 millimeter is perfect. Click OK, and this use a slot is cut out, and this slot cutout is a use a 7 millimeter, and OK, and use a right plane sketch normal, and OK, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a slot cutout is perfect, and also use a front plane. Okay, and this is a this face is sketch, select a normal, and drawing a circle is drawing a this, and use a this diameter is a 7 millimeter perfect, and this point and this point is a horizontal, this is a perfect, and this cutout is a use a extrude cut is used here, and this length is a okay, this slot length is a 80 millimeter is perfect. 80 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. This slot is cut out, and this slot is a use a pattern is a this is a circular pattern, and use a select this body, this face is select here, and use this feature, and feature is this, and pattern is 6 and 360 degree angle and equal spacing, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and next point is use here this and this fillet is used here. Okay, next point is use here this elliptical cut is used here, ellipse cut, and this major axis is 16 millimeter, and minor axis is 7 millimeter, and this distance origin this is a distance is 4 millimeter, and this 20 millimeter is perfect, and OK, and use a right plane sketch normal. Okay, and select a ellipse, and ellipse is a draw here. Okay, and align a dimension, this length to this major axis is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and minor axis is a and minor axis is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and okay, this center to this line distance is a 20 millimeter is perfect. And this is blue color, means this is not defined, this is not fully defined. Okay, and this point and press a control button, and this point is select here and use a horizontal, and this use a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And this use a center line because this is a cut, is a revolve cut, and draw a center line is perfect. This is a reference line, and this is all is perfect. And use a revolve cut, and revolve cut is very nice looking here, and click OK. This cutout is a very nice, and okay. And next point is use here this fillet is use here a 10 millimeter, and this all is a 2 millimeter is all side. Okay, and at first big fillet is used 10 millimeter, and click any edge, select here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And again select a fillet is 2 millimeter, and select a all edge is okay. This also select this line, this 2 millimeter, and also select this and also this, all is a 2 millimeter is perfect. And also select a 2 millimeter and select a this. Okay, and also okay, and select a 2 millimeter, and then use a select this. Okay, select this point is a okay, this use this is a perfect, and click OK. This is a very nice looking here, and click OK. Okay, all is one time is all is fillet is used here. Okay, all is perfect. And some click this sketch body, and this color is used here, and select this, and color is a okay, and use this, and all okay, all is blue color is perfect. Okay, and next is this face sketch and normal, drawing a circle is this, and this circle diameter is 8 millimeter. Okay, but this is not mentioned here because some missing point, and this is perfect, some missing point, but this is remember here 8 millimeter is correct. And okay, extrude boss, this extrude cut is perfect, and extrude cut is this length is 60 millimeter. Okay, and 60 millimeter is perfect. And also this body, this face sketch here, sketch and convert entities, and extrude boss, extrude boss is a length is 150 millimeter, 180 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this distance is 180 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is also 10 millimeter, but this is not merge. And important point is discuss here, this is not merge, and click OK. And okay, because this body is perfect, and this body is not merged. Uncheck here because this drafting is very nice here, because this body is a two separate body, and click a merge, then this body is a merge here, and no not so here a one body two body or drafting. Use a drafting. Okay, is uncheck result and click OK, and okay, this is a perfect, and color is a chrome. Okay, this is a perfect, and also next is a this face sketch, convert entities and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is a 10 millimeter, and also use a merge uncheck because this is a two body is okay, this is a perfect, and also use a chrome plate. Okay, two body is a perfect, and use a merge result, then this body is a one body, not use this because this body is a uncheck merge result. Okay, click OK. This is a two body is very nice looking here, and also select a plane is right plane and sketch normal, and some is a drawing a cutout. Use a center line, and center line is connect to this point to this, because some important point is cutout is this is a very nice looking here, and this cutout is a use here this. Okay, this is a use a curve, radius is 20 millimeter and this length is 9 millimeter, and this is a also distance is 0.6 millimeter, and click OK. Use a 3-point arc and draw this connect to this point to this, and draw a arc and connect to line, and click OK, and OK. This is a perfect, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 9 millimeter, and this is a use a this point to this is a 0.6 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a this curve radius is a 20 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a fully defined. Okay, all dimension is a correct, and this is a fully defined, and use this 0.6 millimeter and 9 millimeter and 20 millimeter, and okay, cutout is a use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is select a through all both side and click OK, and use a this. Okay, and same here this below side, and use a plane is use here top plane, front plane and right plane. Okay, use top plane and mirror. Okay, and select this cutout, and this cutout is this. Okay, click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this body is also drawing is perfect, and all point is discuss here one by one. Okay, guys, this body is looking perfect, and all point is drawing this, and all geometry is define here easily, and all point is discussed here one by one, and this is screwdriver is drawing here easily. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point and all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.